Welcome back to Hanging with the White Folks. We are back again with our spring series. I talked about earlier this week that we will be doing a spring makeup series because it's spring, y'all. Of course, the beautiful colors are out. Be bold, be daring, get a little color in your life. I'm not a color girl, so this is kind of like branching out of my box. I have a purple lippy on, looks kind of pink on camera, but this is the MAC Snob. Okay, so this is MAC Snob. This is not what I am featuring today, but I thought I would go ahead and show you what color that was because it's a beautiful color. It's perfect for spring. It's adding a little pop of color to your life. I don't wear this often. I think I've had this color for like 5 years now. Anyway, for our spring makeup, we are going to be featuring today the new Anastasia Beverly Riviera palette. Okay, if you are afraid of color, you don't want this palette in your life. But if you like just a little pop of color, and if you want a new palette for spring, y'all go get your hands on this. This is beautiful. The packaging is so cute. It's kind of like a linen, those boat materials. What is it called? Like boat attire. And of course, blue and white, that's your sailor colors. It is just the cutest. It's perfect for spring and summer. But Miss Anastasia always does it right anyway, right y'all? So again, I'm not a color girl, so I don't know how much wear I'm gonna get out of this, but I had to get my hands on this because it is just a pop of color in my life. And I've gotten all of her other palettes, so why not get this palette too? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. First one here, this is the color Sales. And Sales is just a white base. Just a beautiful base color to put down to build up your color. Next color is the color Yacht. Yacht is almost like a gold, a bronze gold. The next one is Seychelles. I don't even know how to say that right, but it's like a emerald turquoise green. Oh, that is so pretty. And the next one is Palermo. It's beautiful, like dusty pink. And if my colors are off, that's because my colors are off. That is Palermo. The next one is Seaside. Seaside is like a gray. Almost looks like it has a hint of purple in it. Yes, almost like a slate blue. Oh my goodness, these colors are fabulous. Next one is Inheritance. And this is like a vibrant gold. Even if y'all don't like color, y'all gotta get this. The next color is Mediterranean. That's this color right here. That is Mediterranean. And this color is Estate. It's like a peachy nude. Another base color is what it looks like to me. The next one is Cabana. Cabana doesn't even show up on my skin. coastline is like a tangerine orange. I'm running out of room, y'all. And Bahamas is bananas. That is just bright pink. Woo. Yo, where am I gonna wear Bahamas? Bahamas. Okay, here we go. Lord, speak of Jesus. That was Bahamas. Bahamas is bananas. This is Monte Carlo. It's like a pretty coral pink.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads.
That's Monte Carlo.
Beating hearts.
The next one is Cans. Purple. This is purple. Good Lord. That's another. Bam, bam, bam color. And the last is the color Palm. It's a dirty brown almost. And we'll put that right here. It actually almost looks burgundy on camera. Y'all, this is a beautiful, colorful, very colorful palette. And I am actually just blown away by the pigmentation of this entire palette. Look at those colors, y'all. If y'all are brave enough to rock this, rock it, rock it. If you want me to do a look with these colors, take me down in the comments below. I am more than happy to experiment with color. I'm a neutral girl, I've said that, I've always said that. I am most comfortable in nudes or naturals, but this right here is it's gorgeous. So if you want me to do, as I said, a look with this palette right here, let me know down below and I will do that, and I will post it on my YouTube as well as my Instagram. I will link it so that you can get the tutorial on both channels. So hit me up, let me know what you think about this palette. Let me know if you love it, if you hate it, if you're a neutral or a color girl, if you're brave enough to rock it. Thank you for tuning in once again. Go get your hands on the Anastasia Beverly palette at Sephora, Sephora.com. I believe it's at Ulta. Check out the local stores. Talk to y'all soon. Thank you for hanging with the white folks once again. Check y'all next week. Peace out. Bye.